for your storm to settle. As I look toward the sea,
yep, we're straight. How y'all been living, man? I've been practicing my wheelies lately, y'all. That was a good one. Because my wind mic, I don't know what happened to it, it just came off. So honestly, I don't know if you guys can really hear me. This thing. Let me make sure my phone is come on, bro. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, man. On the road to 1K. As you see, we back on the bike. And those ugly mirrors are gone. Finally, my mirror block-offs came in. I don't know what the problem is with the. I think I gotta give it a little bit more gas when I'm doing when I'm trying to get it up. I'm doing wheelie. This video just here it's just me just riding around. Nothing special. Me riding around and stuff. Showing y'all the true power of it. Ooh, man, them pops, bro. Them pops are crazy. It's kind of weird not having any mirrors. I'm always used to having like the knockoff or zooming mirrors. So it's kind of strange not having any. When I turn or get into the next lane, I actually gotta look behind me now. Oh my God! Look at that old school right there. Ooh, that thing is beautiful. That thing is nice. beautiful, man. I haven't seen one of those in so long, bro. That thing is so beautiful. Just get in there. Let's see if I can do another good one. That one wasn't a good one there. It looks like it's about to rain, but it's not. It was raining yesterday here in Mexico. Not really. Talking to you about too. The last video I posted on this bike was not like a dashing the bike. I was just simply showing y'all. The bike, man. I wasn't saying, oh, the reason why I got it because it was this cheap or that cheap, you know. No, I got it because it's my dream bike. Why else would I not freaking get it? I'm not gonna get a bike that's not my dream bike. Oh, it's multiple dream bike. This wasn't the first one, but this is one of them though. So that's to clear that comment up. And wherever you are, you know exactly where you are. Like, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Like, can you do that? I don't think so, buddy. Like, I hate the haters, bro. People just don't want to see you succeed. These wheelies down pack. Taking it slow by slow. Like it's just that initial like coming up and holding it for me. Like I can bring it up, but it just I have traction control and wheelie control on. Maybe it's that one. I don't know if that changes anything. I don't think so though. It shouldn't. Really shouldn't change anything about the bike. Let's see. No. We're gonna have to figure it out, y'all. That one came up too fast. I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. That's too high for me. That height right there is too high for me. Like, I used to ride the 650 so easily. But this one right here is just a totally different animal, bro. Look at that thing. Oh man! Oh my God, bro! This thing's amazing! My shirt coming up and stuff. God, Wheelie. Someone turning right here. No? Okay. I'm not gonna turn. Let's go, bro. My shirt, bro. Like, I'm running out a lot more than what I was used to. That's too fast. Oh my God, bro! This thing has so much power in it! This thing has so much power! It was over my shifter, bro. Yeah, man. This bike is one of a kind. I can't wait till everything's done on it. Everything I want to do to it. Whole color scheme. Everything's changing. Change this to 2. Give the little kids what they wanted, man. Oh my God, bruh. All this traffic. Oh. Get lost in there. Ooh, some damages. Oh yeah. Get to where there's nobody. Like over here. Yeah. Yeah. Everything's going off right now, bro. God. Oh man. Big chunky tires too, bro. I do need to get a tidy. Even though it is one, but I need to get the one that just flush. We're just flush in the back right here. Yeah. That's the one I need to get. I also need to change out the headlights. Aprilia, why don't y'all get LEDs for this year? You got 121 year, but not this one. It's fine. We'll figure it out. Alright though, y'all. That's probably gonna be it for today's video though. If you haven't already, man, go ahead and drop a like, comment, and subscribe, man. And I'll catch you at the next one, man. I was just over here just, you know, taking pictures and stuff. But I'll catch you at the next one, man. Peace.